How to play Block Blast on school iPad. I'm going to tell you how to play Block Blast on a school iPad. First, open Safari or Chrome on your iPad and go to Quizlet.com. Log into your account, then open a study set that has enough terms. Block Blast won't appear if the set's too short. Scroll through the study modes and tap on Block Blast. Your school account might have restrictions or the game hasn't rolled out to your region yet. Also, some school iPads have content filters that block game-like features, even if they're educational. If Block Blast is available, the game will launch and you can start dragging blocks to the correct matches using the touchscreen. The goal is to clear blocks by quickly matching terms and definitions before the stack gets too high. It's fast, visual, and way more fun than flashcards. If it's not showing up, ask your teacher or IT admin. If certain features are blocked, it might just need to be enabled.